Hello, everyone. Welcome to English for Daily Life. I am happy you joined me today. Today we will learn English for everyday situations. This English will help you every single day. You use English at home, work, and shops. Let us learn the words you need most. Are you ready to learn useful English? Perfect! Let us start with real-life English now. Every morning you wake up. Practice saying good morning and I slept well in English daily. Talk about breakfast. Say I am hungry or I want coffee. These phrases help you every morning. Practice time words. Say it is 7 o'clock or I am late for work out loud. Before leaving home, say, I need my keys or where is my phone? In clear English. At the store, you need simple phrases. Learn how much does this cost? And thank you. Practice numbers for money. Say $5 or 20 cents until it sounds natural and easy. Ask, where is the milk? Or do you have apples? These questions help you find things. When paying, say, here is my money, or can I pay with card? To the worker, at work, greet people nicely. Say, good morning and how are you today? To your coworkers. In meetings, use I think or I agree to share your ideas with other people clearly. Ask for help politely. Say, can you help me? Or, I do not understand this part. Before leaving work, say, have a good evening or see you tomorrow to your team. At home, talk to family in English. Say, how was your day? Or, what happened today? During dinner, describe food. Say, this tastes good, or I like this soup to practice daily. Help with chores using English. Say, I will wash dishes, or can you clean table? At bedtime, say good night and sleep well to family members you love and care about. On the bus, you might ask, does this go downtown? Or how much is fare? In a taxi, say, please take me to the airport, or stop here, please, clearly and politely. When driving, use turn left or go straight to give directions to other people helping. If lost, ask, where is the train station? Or how do I get there? For help. At the doctor, describe problems simply. Say my head hurts or I feel sick for help. Learn body parts. Say my back hurts or my arm is sore to explain your pain. At the pharmacy, ask, do you have medicine for headaches? Or how much is this? Make appointments by saying I need to see the doctor or when can I come? In restaurants, say, I would like or can I have when ordering food from the menu. Ask questions about food. Say what is in this dish. Or is this spicy? Before ordering. If you need something, say, more water please, or can I have the check? Politely. Thank the server by saying the food was delicious or thank you for good service. In emergencies, speak clearly. Say I need help or please call the police when in trouble. Learn important numbers. Know how to say 911 for emergency calls in America. Describe problems simply. Say there is a fire or someone is hurt to get fast help. Stay calm and speak slowly. Say, my address is, and give your location to emergency workers. Daily English is not hard. Practice these phrases every day. You will use them all the time. Start using one new phrase today. Tomorrow, add another phrase. Soon English feels very natural daily. Remember to speak slowly and clearly. People want to help you. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Thank you for listening today. Practice these phrases now. See you next time. Keep speaking English!